So 2023 question 5 A, B and C. So the image below shows a toy submarine. The body of the submarine is based on an ellipse. The table below shows a number of parts of the ellipse indicated by arrows. Complete the table by matching the terms. Okay, so we have to match the terms, alright? So our big one here running along, full one, that's our major axis. So B is our major axis. Up and down is our smaller one, so that's our minor axis, which is A. Then we have 2 points there, our focal points, that's C. And our minor circle here then is D, and E is marked for us. So that's that filled in there. Shown on the right is the outline of our periscope design inscribed in the square ABCD. Draw the enlarged design of the square ABCD below. Alright, so it's enlarged here for you, okay, but they give you details on how you draw this through here, okay? So the first thing anyway, right, it comes, so I can draw a line straight down here and we can join that up, we can get the start of it there. So draw a line straight down here and we can join here to here. Then it goes straight across into that halfway line I just made. There's a radius there that we get by joining this corner up to B. So we're joining this corner up to B. Where they cross there, that's the center point. Extend it to where I need it. Swing it up. Then we join from B down to this one here. So B down to this one, that'll cross this box here for us somewhere. Just here. We can draw that straight up and down. That tells us how far we're travelling back along here. Then we're joining this corner here. Down. This one goes back to there. And that's that there. So you just have to use this drawing over here to help you figure out that. Shown on the right is the design for a porthole window based on circles in a regular hexagon. A complete drawing of the similar porthole is shown. Complete the drawing of the porthole window. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do anyway, right? You can see there that there's a circle, this dotted circle around here, where all the centres of the smaller circles are. I can put the center point of the compass there and extend it to the center of this to get that circle. So that's the very first thing I'm going to do. Compass here in the center, extend it to this. Swing that around. The next thing now we need is the positions of the circles. Okay, it's based on a hexagon. So I'm going to use my 30-degree set square from this center here till I hit the circle, which is there. Same on the other side. Then we can go straight down once again until we hit the circle. Straight down until we hit the circle. Then we're using the 30-degree side of our set square again. In. And in. Okay, that's the hard parts of the question done. All we have to do now is get the radius of this small circle on our compass, and we can just draw them in wherever they need to be. So there's one here, one here. That's that question there, fully finished.